Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best women's hiking shoes on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is La Sportiva Spire GTX. The La Sportiva Spire GTX was easily one of our review team's favorite shoes. They combine some of the best hiking shoe technology with a comfortable fit and excellent traction to create a shoe that's fit for everything from day hiking and climbing approaches to technical mountain scrambles and backpacking. They resemble trail runners, fairly light and technical, rather than a rugged hiker, but they keep up with any terrain or objective through their way. The upper is flexible and comfortable. The midsole is solid and supportive. The traction is bomber. The happiest surprise with the Spire is that the Gore-Tex Surround waterproof liner is also breathable. Yes, you can wear these on a trail run, but they shine on multi-day hikes and light and fast mountain adventures. For scrambling off-trail, peak bagging, or enjoying any trail we came across, these hikers are exceptional. Over months, and years, of rigorous testing, we have had to replace the laces on the Spire a handful of times. They have thin nylon lace holsters that wear down the laces over time, especially if you prefer a snug fit. Beyond the laces, these hikers prove to be exceptionally durable, but all the technology that makes them so incredible comes at a price. As one of the spendiest options we tested, this shoe may not be an affordable option for some. But for those planning hiking adventures where comfort, support, and performance are a priority, the cost will be well worth it. Number 2. Our second best pick is Merrell's Siren Edge 3. If you are looking for a fair-weather hiking shoe without breaking the bank, the Merrell Siren Edge 3 is an easy shoe to recommend. They are among the lightest weight shoes in our review, and they are incredibly breathable. They were comfortable to wear on long hikes after only a minimal break-in period. The tread features soft and sticky lugs, which provide great traction on hard-packed trail, scree, and for mellow scrambling. These shoes are made from synthetic materials, so the Sirens are even vegan-friendly. No shoe is perfect, especially if you're looking for a bargain, and the Siren is no exception. While the uppers have a durable water-resistant (DWR) treatment, they did not prove waterproof or even very water-resistant. That said, as long as you don't encounter more than a soft drizzle and trail conditions are mostly dry, these shoes are sufficiently protective. They also dry incredibly fast, so if they do get wet, they won't stay that way for long. And if you live in a wet climate, they come in a waterproof version for just a little bit more money. Over the course of our review cycle, these shoes showed signs of below-average durability, with signs of wear on the toes and the soft tread. Still, the Siren Edge is a great deal if you want to grab a pair of comfortable shoes for all your upcoming summer hiking adventures. Number 3. Our third best pick is Merrell Moab 2 Waterproof. The Merrell Moab 2 Waterproof is wildly popular for a good reason. It is a tried-and-true hiking shoe that delivers solid performance year after year. It's also affordable for a waterproof shoe, reasonably lightweight, and offers decent traction. The ankle height is slightly lower than some of the other models we tested, allowing water to go over the top in shallower puddles or streams, but we found the Moab 2 WP to be completely waterproof on the trail and in our controlled tests. Despite their excellent waterproofing, they still breathe well due to their mesh lining. Indeed, this shoe does well in most categories at an excellent price. The Moab 2 was stiff and uncomfortable out of the box. The laces were too stiff to properly adjust the shoes to fit our feet, and the tongue was initially uncomfortable. However, they became more comfortable after a couple of short hikes. These shoes run a little short, especially in the waterproof model, so our lead reviewer had to size up a half size. If you are between sizes or like to hike in a thick sock, you may want to order up a half size too. This shoe has been on the market longer than most of the competition, proving that they offer reliable performance at a reasonable price that fits the hiking needs of most day hikers. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Salomon X Ultra 4 GTX. The The Salomon X Ultra 4 GTX is the latest update in the X Ultra series. It has some noteworthy changes, including a new fit and new materials, and it has shed significant weight while increasing stability. The toe box is roomier for added comfort, but the uppers provide a snug fit to hold the foot in place, which prevents the shoes from feeling sloppy. The unconventional cinching quicklace system makes it easy to put these shoes on and pull them off in seconds. Salomon uses a lot of proprietary tech terms to describe why their shoes offer support and comfort. After miles of hiking, we interpret this to mean that the lightweight upper is strategically reinforced with various materials to aid in both flex and stability. The Contagrip soles provided excellent traction on loose scree and wet rocks, and the Gore-Tex liner proved to be fully waterproof in our tests. A fantastic shoe for all manner of technical terrain. That said, it isn't all roses. We have some concerns about the durability of the X Ultra 4. The quicklace storage pocket tore almost immediately, and we noted signs of compression in the midsole. The comfort and cushion of the midsole are ultimately a trade-off for underfoot support and protection, which is why this wouldn't be our go-to shoe for multi-day expeditions that require a heavy pack. However, it shines for light and fast adventures that require agility and speed. This model runs long, and we suggest ordering a half size down from your normal size. Overall, this is an all-around, hard-charging option that experienced and casual hikers alike will appreciate. At a much more moderate price, this is a great alternative to the more expensive La Sportiva Spire GTX. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Oboz Sawtooth Ii Low B-dry. The Oboz Sawtooth Ii Low B-dry hiking shoes are incredibly supportive and comfortable for all-day hikes, especially when carrying a 20-30 pound pack. The midsole is plush, and the proprietary insole provides structured support, making the Sawtooth Ii an excellent option for multi-day trips. The lugs are chunky enough to shed mud and grab on loose surfaces, while the rubber is soft enough to grip rock slabs and logs. Oboz B-dry waterproof/breathable membrane kept our feet dry from rain and ventilated away sweat. One of the updates in this model, over previous iterations, is larger vents for increased breathability. While some hikers with narrow feet may need to wear a thicker sock for optimal fit, we appreciated having extra room in the toe box to allow our toes to wiggle and splay. The shape of the upper, combined with the insole's shape, holds the heel perfectly in place, minimizing lifting and rubbing. The only thing we don't love about the Sawtooth Ii is its weight. It is the heaviest shoe in our review. And in our bucket test, even though it proved to be waterproof, the leather upper absorbed a measurable amount of water, making the shoes even heavier. However, the extra protection, support, and durability of the Sawtooth Ii is an acceptable trade-off, especially for hikers heading out on longer treks. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.